Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to cancel a payment on Cash App. First, open the Cash App on your phone, tap the clock icon or activity tab in the bottom right corner. This will show you all your recent transactions. Find the payment you want to cancel and tap on it. If the option is available, you'll see Cancel Payment. Tap it and follow the on-screen steps. Now, if you don't see a cancel button, that means the payment has already been completed and can't be canceled manually. In that case, go back and tap Support in the top right. Scroll down and choose Start a Chat. Send Cash App support a message explaining the issue, including the amount, date, and who you sent it to. They'll review it and let you know if the payment can be reversed. And that's it. That's how to cancel a payment on Cash App. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.